Hey guys, good morning. Got another little 2020 389 Peterbilt that my guys just finished up for a customer of mine, Dustin Nordmans, just outside of Indianapolis. We'll take a quick look at her here. 280-inch wheelbase, 565 Cummins, 2050 torque, 18 speed. Lots of custom touches. We'll touch on that here in just a minute. Before I forget, one of the really cool things about this awesome lightweight 17886, just a little bit surprised how that came out. It was kind of a nice surprise. 63-inch stand-up, they call it a 72. Platinum interior, flex air suspension. Of course, there you can see the custom fenders. I apologize, this is the dirtiest truck I've ever filmed. Weather has just been killing us. It's been below freezing, and my wash guys don't participate when it's that cold. Michelin's all the way around. Again, custom touches. Nice big stainless T-bar with all the LEDs in the rear. Chrome tips on the Peterbilt mud flaps. Low Pro 24s. Stationary fifth wheel. It's aluminum. Pulling the air slide off saves a nice chunk of money, or a nice chunk of weight, both really. Disc brakes with the big torque. Of course, you get the big rear ends, the DSHs in the Dana series. H stands for high performance. This nice light bar from our good friends at Iowa Customs. Nice piece. A lot of light bars out there, but their stuff is just a step above when it comes to quality. Same thing on the deck plate. All the LEDs, they're all dual revs, green and red. Did the air box here, of course, with your 7-way and your air connections. Painted the tanks. Bolted frame as always. Went with the big def tank on this one, painted the tank and the cover. Phoenix, awesome light kit. And you know, it's daytime, it's a little tough, but dual rev green LEDs all the way around on it. Did mud flaps on the back of the boxes, back of the fenders. Painted the air tank, did custom straps. Polished smooth covers on the boxes. Dynaflex exhaust kit. With the Chino tips, I believe is what they call those. Old school moto mirrors. Did the custom visor with the matching chops on the window. I think that's a real nice look. Did the LEDs. Of course, you can see those in green up there. Color of this truck is Legendary Champagne. Another neat color out of that Legendary lineup that they brought out a few years ago. And the green that works absolutely perfect with this is it's just a dark metallic green. There's a bunch of them as far as in the color books. Airlift front bumper with the green LEDs on the corner. Did the 7 grill bars. Custom LED headlights. These are the true LEDs. Those of you that have had those in the past or read or heard about them, this new headlight, true LED, and is a game changer. It's big difference over what was available just a couple years ago. Did the blank panels on the air cleaners with the lights facing in the reverse direction on both. At night creates a fantastic effect. With the way we did the exhaust kit, allowed us to put another battery box on this side so both sides match. Old school, add an air tank. Did the straps over here also. Casual passerby will never notice, but dummy exhaust kit, you get the look you want. All the symmetry. Painted the tanks. There's where the horizontal exhaust comes out there. Custom fenders, rolled forward, super cool, kind of gangster. Real happy the way those came out. Of course, I had the suspension dropped right now. Did the air ride front axle with the dual leveling valves. And the way we drop them is we take a rear leveling valve, we take a pair of those, put them on the front, because the factory ones don't come with an exhaust side on the port. So that's kind of how we cheat that, or not cheat it. That's just what it takes to get it done. Sahara tan platinum interior, all the gauges, Sears 80 series leather seats. Just as nice as we could really make it on the interior. Fire this thing up real quick. Full gauge package, no navigation. Custom painted steering wheel to match the exterior. All the rosewood, bright bezel gauges. Visor sits nice. Did the Iowa custom seat plates on the floor on both seats. Seats will go all the way into the sleeper. It's got all the Arctic Rat fuel lines. This one has the Smart Sound insulation, the super heavy duty insulation package. Did a bunk heater in it, S-bar bunk heater. CB speaker in the corner, factory CB. Little details all the way down to the chrome stick on the shifter. Platinum interior, double bunk on this one. Closet on this closet on both sides. Refrigerator, plenty of storage. Did the sorry, it's hard to see. Did the workstation in this one. A lot of people don't know it's also available in the 63, 72, whatever you want to call it, but in this sleeper configuration, that is an option. Went with the tan carpet on this one, complemented everything really nice. Kind of a Berber style, and with the black matches the seats really nice. Tons and tons of extras, little details on this. I'm sure you guys saw in the pictures. Really fun project to put together. Dustin was super patient. We didn't really hit our mark on delivery time-wise on this one. The holidays really goofed us up, but got it done. He's happy. We're happy. Another nice custom out of our shop, and proud to put our name on this one. Can't wait to see it hooked up to a bull wagon and rolling through town. My name's Steve Carboni. If you guys got any questions about this truck or any of our other custom trucks, we're currently in production on 2021s. I've got hundreds of build slots right now reserved. I'm building in about 5 weeks. It's going to be I'll have a short build time frame, probably for the next 30 to 45 days. So if you're in a hurry, give me a shout, and I can get you on the order board real quick. So 918-808-5638. Any questions at all, just let me know. Call, text. Be glad to help you. And as always, appreciate you guys. I get your questions as quick as I can, and really appreciate all the feedback I get from you. So until next time, guys, we'll see you. Thanks.